Hello guys, hello everyone. You're all welcome to this channel where I talk everything about financial management. I talk about stock, I talk about investment, I talk about financial management, stock, investment, finance, and earning online methods. Now, I want to discuss about effective and workable tips for earning income online. There are a lot of ways, a lot of means through which we can earn income online, and some of those ways are what I will discuss right now. And I will give you tips on how to earn income online. And in my previous video, I discussed about how to earn income via watching video, via doing surveys. Those ones are good, but they don't earn a lot of income like the ones I'm going to do now. And mind you, take note that earning income also involves learning. Before you can earn income massively, you need to learn. Learning is very, very important in earning income online. It's not just a lazy man's job, or it's not a lazy man's job anyway. You need to learn. As you learn, you practice, and then you earn. Now, online tutoring is another method where we can earn income online. Online tutoring, that is, no matter the level of your attainment or achievement in life, there are a lot of things you don't know that other people will teach you. And also there are many things you know too that you need to teach other people. So all the things you know, you put them in an online tutoring form. We call it online tutoring. You put them in online format, and then you use that to teach other people to acquire knowledge on how to do things that are relevant and important in their day-to-day activities. So what is online tutoring? Online tutoring is when you put your skill, the knowledge you have about a thing, you put them together and in an online form, and then you upload them to the internet, and people that need that particular skill or knowledge can go there, learn, and also acquire skill which will help them in their day-to-day activity. So it's very, very good way of earning income. You can put that as a course, and then people can pay a particular fee to attain that course, and then it will earn you income. So online tutoring is very, very important. For instance, you study English in the university or in the higher institution, and you have the skill, the knowledge of teaching English. There are a lot of people in many other countries that need that skill you have, that knowledge you have acquired. Like in the Chinese countries, Japan, China, Germany, and some other countries that are not, they don't have English communication skill. You can teach them English so that they can use it to communicate, in their day-to-day activities, and help them in their businesses. And with that, they'll pay you in return. And note, they don't pay in your local currency, they pay in foreign currency. So that will earn you a lot of income. So you can put that on online course, and it will help you. Also, SEO optimization is a very good way of earning income too. Like a lot of YouTubers, a lot of people that do online businesses, and they want Google to to optimize their whatever they are doing, so that when people are searching for a particular thing, they can be maybe in the first 5 or in the first 10. And that will earn them a lot of income with their websites. So if you have SEO knowledge, you can put that up, and it will help you to earn a lot of income. And also video editing. Like, I'm still learning video editing, and I hope very soon I will put that as an online course too. And it's a way of earning a lot of income. When you know how to edit video very well, effectively, and properly, people will always look for your service, and they will get you paid. Especially YouTubers that need to make their videos very clear and audible will need your services. So if you are here on this watching me right now, there are a lot of sites that you can go to teach yourself how to do video editing. One of them is Final Cut, Davinci, Filmora, Premiere Pro are some of the sites you can go to teach yourself how to learn video editing. I hope you have gained one or two things here, and if you have, subscribe, comment, like, share this video, press the notification bell for latest uploads from this channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Have a nice time, and bye bye.
Mama, no stop you.